Hey everyone! Are you a landlord looking to attract quality tenants, or a property owner aiming to boost your rental income? What if I told you there are simple, practical strategies to make your rental property the one everyone's talking about? Whether it's enhancing curb appeal, leveraging smart technology, or offering standout amenities, we've got you covered. Join us as we dive into 7 powerful ways to make your rental property the go-to choice in a competitive market. Let's make your property unforgettable. Modern curb appeal. First impressions. That wow. Let's be honest. First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your rental property. The moment potential tenants pull up, they're already forming opinions about the home. That's why nailing the curb appeal is crucial. Modern curb appeal isn't just about planting flowers, it's about creating an inviting, stylish exterior that instantly makes your property memorable. Imagine this: sleek pathways, modern lighting, and a front door that pops. That's the kind of vibe tenants can't resist. Start by giving your landscaping a contemporary twist. Think clean lines and low-maintenance greenery. Swap out overgrown shrubs for neat hedges or ornamental grasses, which look polished and require minimal upkeep. Adding some planters with seasonal blooms can also elevate the look without breaking the bank. And don't forget about the lawn. Keep it mowed, edged, and vibrant. If you're in a drought-prone area, consider artificial turf or xeriscaping. These modern solutions save water while keeping things Instagram-worthy. Lighting is your secret weapon for making your property shine, literally. Motion sensor lights along pathways or subtle uplighting on trees create a welcoming and safe atmosphere. Swap outdated porch lights for sleek fixtures with clean, modern designs. Solar-powered lights are another fantastic option. They're eco-friendly and can illuminate walkways or highlight key features like a rock garden or a custom mailbox. When done right, lighting makes your rental look warm and inviting even after the sun sets. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a front door makeover. A bold, modern color like navy blue, charcoal, or even red can transform the look of your property. Pair it with modern hardware and a new house number plaque for a cohesive style. If your budget allows, add a modern awning or clean-lined porch furniture to complete the aesthetic. These upgrades show tenants that you care about details, and that's what truly makes your property stand out. Standout interior design. The wow factor within. Let's face it. Once tenants step through the front door, they're looking for that wow factor. They want to picture themselves living there, loving every inch of the space. That's where standout interior design comes in. It's not about overloading the place with trendy furniture or flashy decor. It's about creating a clean, cohesive space that feels modern, functional, and welcoming. Think light, airy rooms with smart layouts and just the right touches to make it unforgettable. Start with color because it sets the tone the moment someone steps inside. Neutral walls are your best friend here. Soft whites, warm grays, or calming beige shades create a blank canvas that tenants can imagine personalizing. Want to go the extra mile? Add an accent wall in a subtle but stylish color like sage green or navy blue. It gives the room personality without being overpowering. Pair this with fresh, bright lighting, natural light wherever possible, and modern fixtures to complement the space when the sun goes down. Let's talk about the flooring because honestly, it's a make or break detail. If your rental still has worn-out carpets or outdated linoleum, it's time to make a change. Tenants love sleek, durable options like hardwood laminate or even luxury vinyl planks. They're easy to clean and instantly elevate the space. Add a cozy area rug to define living areas or bring some warmth to bedrooms. These little touches show you've thought about style and comfort. Now the finishing touches are where you really make tenants feel at home. Opt for modern yet versatile window treatments like faux wood blinds or neutral curtains that provide privacy without cramping the aesthetic. In the kitchen, think of updated cabinet hardware and maybe a stylish backsplash. It's a small investment with a big payoff. Don't forget the bathrooms either. A chic mirror, updated fixtures, and fresh grout can make even an older bathroom feel brand new. When your interior design hits all the right notes, tenants won't just see a rental, they'll see their future home. Smart home features, the tech-savvy touch. Imagine walking into a rental property where the lights adjust automatically, the thermostat sets itself to your ideal temperature, and you can control everything from your phone. Sounds like a dream, right? Smart home features are no longer just for high-end properties, they're becoming a must-have for tenants who value convenience, security, and modern living. By integrating a few smart tech upgrades, you can instantly make your rental property stand out and show tenants you're ahead of the curve. Start with smart lighting. It's a game changer. Picture this. Tenants walk into the living room and with a simple voice command or tap on their smartphone, they can dim the lights or change their color to set the mood. It's not just cool, it's practical. Smart bulbs are energy efficient, saving money for tenants while appealing to eco-conscious renters. Bonus points if you add motion sensors in areas like hallways or bathrooms, making their everyday routines just that little bit easier. Next up, smart thermostats. They're one of the most requested features because they offer convenience and cost savings. Tenants can program heating and cooling schedules to match their lifestyle or adjust the temperature remotely when they're away. Popular models like Nest or Ecobee even learn user preferences over time, creating an ultra-personalized experience. And here's the kicker. When tenants see tech that saves them money on utility bills, they're way more likely to choose your property over others. Finally, don't underestimate the appeal of smart security. A video doorbell or a smart lock adds that extra layer of safety and peace of mind. Tenants love the ability to see who's at the door or unlock their home without fumbling for keys. Combine these with a connected smoke detector, and you've created a property that feels both cutting edge and secure. These smart features don't just elevate your rental, they make tenants feel like you've genuinely thought about their needs. And that's the kind of touch that keeps your property top of mind in today's tech-savvy market. Flexible and functional spaces, adaptable living. Think about how life can change in the blink of an eye. One day you need a home office, and the next, you're rearranging everything for a yoga space or a playroom. That's why flexible and functional spaces are becoming such a big deal for renters. If you can offer a home that adapts to their needs, you're not just renting a property, you're solving a problem and making life easier. Let's talk about how you can create that kind of environment in your rental property. Start by considering the layout. Open concept spaces are still a hit because they give tenants room to customize. Picture a living area that easily transitions into a dining space or even a work zone. A well-placed island in the kitchen can double as a breakfast bar and a workstation. Think of how versatile it is. Tenants can make it their own without feeling boxed in. And if your property has multiple small rooms, knocking down a non-structural wall to create a more open flow could completely transform how people see the space. Furniture is another major player in flexible living. Imagine walking into a staged rental where there's a Murphy bed tucked neatly into the wall, instantly creating a dual-purpose bedroom and office. Tenants love multifunctional pieces like ottomans with hidden storage or fold-out tables that save space. Highlighting these ideas in your property shows renters how easy it is to adapt the home to fit their lifestyle. Even simple additions like shelving units or modular closets can make a huge impact by maximizing every square inch. Don't forget outdoor areas. A small balcony can double as a garden or a mini lounge with the right setup. Add weatherproof furniture or a foldable table, and suddenly, you've created a spot for morning coffee, remote work, or evening drinks. When tenants see how every corner of your property works hard for them, they know they're getting value and versatility. It's all about making the space feel like it can evolve with their lives. And that's how you turn a rental into the ultimate adaptable home. Energy, efficiency, save money, attract tenants. Energy efficiency isn't just a trend, it's a necessity that benefits everyone involved. For tenants, it means lower utility bills and a more comfortable home. For you, as the property owner, it's an opportunity to stand out in a competitive market while keeping long-term costs down. Tenants are actively searching for rentals that align with their budgets and values, and energy-efficient upgrades are an excellent way to meet those expectations. Start by focusing on insulation and windows, the unsung heroes of energy savings. A properly insulated property not only keeps the temperature consistent but also reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling. Double-glazed windows and sealed door frames are upgrades that tenants might not see right away but will definitely appreciate when their utility bills are lower. These changes create a comfortable environment and show that you've invested in their quality of living. Appliances and lighting are another area where small improvements make a big impact. Replacing older appliances with energy-efficient models like Energy Star-rated refrigerators or washing machines sends a message that you care about practicality and cost savings. Energy-efficient lighting, such as LED bulbs, is another simple but effective change. They use far less energy and last much longer, which means tenants don't have to worry about frequent replacements. These upgrades show attention to detail and contribute to a property that feels well-maintained and forward-thinking. For an even bigger edge, consider incorporating advanced energy-saving features like solar panels or smart thermostats. Solar panels, though an investment, highlight your commitment to sustainability while offering real savings over time. Smart thermostats allow tenants to control their energy usage with ease, making the property feel modern and convenient. These features elevate your rental from being just another option to one that feels thoughtfully designed and innovative. By implementing energy-efficient solutions, you're creating a property that benefits everyone. Tenants enjoy reduced costs and a better living experience while you enhance the value and appeal of your rental. It's a win-win that helps your property shine in the market while contributing to a sustainable future. Pet-friendly amenities, tailoring to modern tenants. In today's rental market, offering pet-friendly amenities is one of the smartest ways to attract a broader range of tenants. More and more renters consider their pets part of the family, and properties that cater to furry friends often stand out from the crowd. If you're open to allowing pets, a few thoughtful upgrades can make your property much more appealing to pet owners. Start by considering practical features like durable flooring. Pets can bring a lot of love, but they also bring claws, muddy paws, and occasional accidents. Flooring options like vinyl, tile, or laminate are not only easy to clean but also resistant to scratches and stains. By making this simple change, you're creating a home where tenants feel confident about bringing their pets without worrying about damage or hefty cleaning fees. Outdoor spaces can also make a significant impact. If your property has a yard or shared garden, think about adding a secure fence or designated pet play area. These additions don't just benefit the pets, they show tenants that you've gone the extra mile to make their lives easier. Even small touches, like adding waste disposal stations, can make a huge difference in convenience and cleanliness. These details enhance your property's functionality and appeal. Inside the home, small upgrades like built-in pet nooks or spaces for food and water bowls can show that you've thoughtfully considered pet owners' needs. If you want to go further, consider adding pet washing stations or easy-access bathtubs for tenants to clean their pets. These features are practical, affordable, and demonstrate an understanding of your tenants' lifestyles. By offering pet-friendly amenities, you're not just making your property more attractive, you're also building stronger relationships with your tenants. Happy tenants are more likely to stay longer, recommend your property to others, and treat it with care. These upgrades are a win for everyone, creating a space that feels welcoming, functional, and uniquely suited to today's renters. High-quality maintenance and management, a hassle-free experience. When it comes to renting out your property, high-quality maintenance and management can make all the difference. Tenants are looking for a home where they don't have to stress about unresolved issues or delays. Providing top-notch service not only keeps your tenants happy, but also ensures your property remains in excellent condition over time. Start with a reliable maintenance plan. Whether it's routine inspections or addressing repairs promptly, having a system in place shows tenants that their comfort and safety are a priority. Make sure you're proactive about things like HVAC servicing, plumbing checks, and exterior upkeep. A well-maintained property doesn't just attract tenants, it makes them feel valued, which is a big step toward long-term satisfaction and retention. Clear communication is another cornerstone of great management. Tenants appreciate a landlord or property manager who is easy to reach and quick to respond. Offer multiple ways for them to contact you, whether it's through a phone call, email, or a dedicated online portal. Providing timely updates and following through on promises shows that you're committed to creating a smooth and stress-free renting experience. Lastly, consider partnering with a professional property management service if you have multiple rentals or a busy schedule. These experts can handle everything from tenant screening to emergency repairs, saving you time and energy while ensuring everything runs seamlessly. High-quality maintenance and management don't just benefit your tenants, they protect your investment and enhance your property's reputation in the market. By focusing on these key areas, you're setting your property apart as a place where tenants can truly feel at home. That wraps up our ultimate guide to making your rental property stand out in today's competitive market. From energy-efficient upgrades to pet-friendly amenities and stellar maintenance, these strategies will transform your property into a tenant magnet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. Until next time, happy renting and property upgrading.